I spoke into my phone, and 60 seconds later, this AI gave me a full YouTube video. No editing, no camera, no effort. This feels illegal to use. I spoke into my phone and 60 seconds later, this AI gave me a full YouTube video. No editing, no camera, no effort. This might be the most underrated AI tool of 2025. What is the tool? The tool is called Vidnoz AI. It's built for people who want to make videos fast with no editing, no camera, and no experience. All you do is record your voice, and it generates a YouTube-ready video, visuals, captions, voice, and even an avatar if you want. How it works: here's how to use it. Record a voice message, or type a script, paste it into Vidnoz AI, choose a template and voice style, hit generate, that's it. It builds the video in under 60 seconds. Real result: here's the video it created from just one voice note. Insert 5 to 10 seconds of demo video output, no camera, no script writing, no editor. This is perfect for beginners, faceless YouTubers, and anyone short on time. Should you try it? Yes, especially if you hate editing or don't have time. You can try Vidnoz for free using the link below. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial next.